Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Finally, Cursor have released some huge updates to their AI code editor, and it is currently Cursor version 1.2. And here you see this is the official post on Twitter that Cursor can now make to-do list and search pull request and queue messages, and also they have made tab much faster. And these are two important features that they have added. One is to-do list and another one is this queue messages, and a third important feature is this search pull request. So one by one I will show you. This is the changelog in their blog official website. So first I will start with this agent to-dos. Here you see agent now plan ahead with structured to-do list. So you remember that on our channel I already made a video on this task master. Okay, so if you search on our channel Code Digit, you will find many videos on task master. So basically this Cursor new feature to-do list is an alternative to taskmaster. You don't have to manually install any third-party MCP or any other tool to get that one by one task list. This to-do list feature is now built in Cursor. So if you go to this Cursor, and there in this chat option you will find this to-do list. So make sure you have turned on this feature. Okay, and also they have written that allow agent to use to-do list to track progress on task. So here you see that in my project I asked this Cursor that add dark or light mode feature, use to-do list feature. So follow my cursor here, add dark light mode feature, use to-do list feature, and after that here you see that it has done the planning, and these 5 to-dos it has added, and one by one it will execute all of that things, and finally it will add this dark light mode feature in my project. So this is the way you have to follow if you want to use this Cursor to-do list feature. And why it will be helpful, here you see that the agent breaks down longer tasks with dependencies and visible to you in chat and streamed into Slack when relevant. It can update the list as work progresses, keeping context fresh and interactions predictable. Okay, so in this way you will get the best output. Now the next important feature that they have added is let agent resolve merge conflict. Here you see when merge conflicts occur, agent can now attempt to resolve them for you. Click resolver in chat and relevant context will be added to resolve the conflict. Here you see that you will find this kind of button here that resolve in chat and resolve in merge editor. Okay, so if you click on this resolve in chat, then the cursor will do the all of these things for you. It will resolve that, and it is a most important feature that they have added because whenever many people are working in a project, then sometimes it gets difficult to resolve that merge conflict. But if AI can help in this resolving the merge conflict, then it will be great, right? Next important feature that they have added is this queued messages. Here you see you can now queue follow-up messages for agent once it is done with current task. Just type your instruction and send. Once in a queue, you can reorder task and start executing without waiting. Here you see that you can write all of their things like add output option for YML, add output option for JSON, add verbose logging. Okay, so in this way you can give all of that queries or task or prompt one by one, and when the first task will get completed, it will automatically take that next task from that queue. Okay, and this is basically a priority based things, and it is very much important because sometimes what happens that when we give any task to this cursor, during that time we are unable to write anything. If the prompt is very much lengthy, then we have to wait for the cursor to complete the task, right? And now after this update, this feature is available in our cursor, and you can write any type of prompt and task during cursor is working. Okay, and the next important feature that they have added is peer indexing and search. Here you see cursor can now indexes and summarize pull request much like it does files. you can search old pull request semantically or explicitly fetch a pull request issue, commit, or branch into context. So what happens that suppose you have merged one pull request some days ago or 1 month back, and after some days you found that due to merge of that code you are facing an issue. Now you want to search that pull request. So in that case, what you can do that, let me show you. You see, this is the video that they have added. So if you search in this way that which pull request changed topic classifier, now after that see the response that what you are getting. In this way you will get the pull request number, that fixed topic plus kind tag classifier. So in this way you can search that exact code that you have merged in that during that time. Okay, so it will be very much helpful to resolve any kind of bugs if you found in your code. And also here you see this includes associated GitHub comments, bug board reviews, and Slack agent support, making post-mortem analysis or incident tracing much faster. That I was mentioning, that you can easily track that or easily trace that incident. Also, they have done some improvements in their faster tab completion. Here you see tab completions are now 100 millisecond faster, and TTFT has been tab completion feature error has been reduced by 30%, and we made this possible by restructuring our memory management system and optimizing data transfer pathways. And the memory update that they have published, here you see memories is now GA, and here you see that since 1.0 we have improved memory generation quality, added in editor UI polish, and introduced user approvals for background generated memories to preserve trust. So if you write in this way that please remember these things, then it will be added here in this user memory section. Okay, and another thing that they have published is this background agent improvements. So pull request follow your team's template. By the way, yesterday I made a video on this cursor new web plus mobile agent. So if you have not watched this video till now, please watch, then you will get the idea that how this background agent actually work. So in your cursor, if you go then on the left hand side corner you will find this background agent option. Otherwise, on the right hand side here you see there follow my cursor. Beside this plus button you will find this background agent. So a pop-up will be appear here. Otherwise, if you go to this cursor.com website, make sure you have logged in your account, and there you will find this agent option. And I have already made a video on this cursor web agent, and similar way you can use it in your mobile by doing that add to home screen option. Okay, and this was the update that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to get this type of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.